Hello everyone, my name is Prasad from 10th Brahmaputra and I am currently studying in New Pune Public School CBSE. So basically my model name is wireless electric charging station. So electric charging stations are also being set up in some areas like in cities. The number of electric charging stations are being increased. But there is a problem. What is happening in the electric power charging station? So there are some disadvantages. Let's talk about it. So the first disadvantages is when the car is on the platform of the surface of the charging station. So we have to remove the plug and we have to charge the car. So happening shock circuit can be happened in some areas of Bangalore also. Shocks due to shock circuits, the electric cars are also been damaged, and to reduce these problems, I have basically made this project. Now I will show you my project and its demonstration. So at the outer side, I have pasted the board of wireless electric charging station. So this is the road and it is the entrance of the wireless charging station. So with the entrance we can see the upper view. This is the first charging station pad. This is the second. This is the third, and last this is the fourth charging pad. So basically I have tried to create four charging pads so that large numbers of cars can be parked here, and this was the upper view, or else we can say that this is the view of my project. So we will talk about the materials that are required to make. I have used the sunboard sheet, and to decorate it I have applied the paint of the electronics part. So here I have used a IR sensor, a switch, some wires, a battery and a clip. And the number is because when the car will come, so it can be identified that the so already the car is on charging. Here the I have pasted the printout of this image so that the rider or the owner can be identified that here is the charging port. So here is one coil made up of copper. I have pasted this coil because as we know that, and the cars when it will come on this route, so they will charge automatically. So basically I am having these four electric cars. Here as you can see that I have pasted a battery indicator module so that the rider or the owner of the car can know that how much percent the car has been charged. So of these cars I have made the four models, and below the cars I have pasted a coil. This is the receiver coil of the power charging station. So when this power charging station will generate the electricity, and when we will keep this coil on this slot, electromagnetic waves, the car between this gap and the receiver's coil, they will connect automatically and the car will automatically charge. And here we will know the battery percentage of the car. All also cars are having the same electric functions. So basically this is the LED indicator box. This box can show us to the riders who are out of the charging station that which car is on these platforms, and indicate the car standing on the station. So when the car will getting charged on this station pad, so this IR sensor will detect that there is a car on the slot 2. So here the slot 2 LED light will blink automatically so that the rider can notice that in the charging station of the number 2 the car is been charging, and it can move on the slot 3 or slot 4 or slot 1. So this was my overview of the project. So now we will test how this project can work. Now here we will connect the battery to the clip so that this battery indicator box will get activated and it will show that whether the car is on the charging station or not. So now I have connected the battery with the clip, and as you can see that the IR sensors are all activated, and here is the LED indicator box where nothing is showing, means that no other car is being parked here, so that the LED is not blinking. So as you can see that nothing is showing on this LED indicator box. So this is the slot number 3. So as you can see that nothing is showing on this LED indicator box. But if some car will oppose the LED light, so you can see that the third slot, which is, you can see here is the third slot. When I will keep my hand, so the slot 3 light is been blinking. So this way all the lights can be worked. See now the slot number 2, this is the slot number 1. So when some car will oppose the IR sensor light, so automatically it will detect and it will notice that some car is there and it will show on this LED indicator box. So now basically I will show that how this pad works. Here I am having this electric car. So what we will do that we will just on this switch. So this switch has been on, means this coil has burned. So when the car will come on this platform, automatically the car will get charged. So as you can see that I will off the lights, and here you can see that the car is been charging. So when I will remove this, it will come on this charging pad automatically. Now here you can see that the car is being charging. So here you can see that this battery indicator module is also working, and it is currently showing that in this car battery is about 10% only. So when this car will be charged, the owner will off this switch and the car will get off. When the charging is full, the driver can go from here. So here you can see that all four cars had been placed, and now these two cars are being charging, and these two cars their battery is low. So as you can see that all the cars are being charging here, and you can see that all the four LEDs are now blinking. The rider can know that the car is there and all the lights are been blinking, so we can go to the another slot. So here I will tell you that when we will remove the slot 4, LED lights are being off, so the driver can know that the car is been taken out and he can park here. And basically when we will charge the car here, so the R sensor will detect it, and the LED lights for slot 4 is being turned on. This was all about my project, and